Hello, you're welcome to solve for x in this nice exponential equation involving square roots. Here from what is given, which is root 3 raised to power root x minus root 2 raised to power root x equals to 65. Here we can recall from when we have root a, which can be written as a raised to power half. Then here it implies that we can write this as root 3 will become 3 raised to power half, then raised to power root x, then minus here also that's 2 raised to power half, then raised to power root x, then equals to 65. Then this power will multiply and this become 3 raised to power root x over 2, then minus also 2 raised to power root x over 2, then equals to 65. Then from here, let's multiply this power by 2 over 2, and also this side by 2 over 2. So it's as if we have not really done anything there, because 2 over 2 here is still 1. But let's write this as, these two we multiply, that's 4. So we have 3 raised to power root x over 4. Then raised to power these 2. Then minus also here we have 2 raised to power root x over 4. Then raised to power these 2 here. Then equals to 65. Then from here, let's use a letter to represent 3 raised to power root x over 4. So let a be equals to 3 raised to power root x over 4. And let b be equals to 2 raised to power root x over 4. And what we have here then become a square minus b square now equals to 65. And here we have perfect square, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, then equals to here. Let's separate 65 as 13 times 5. Then since here a plus b will be greater than a minus b, then from here we have a plus b will be equals to 13, then a minus b will be equals to 5. Then solving these two equations simultaneously, when we had here, we have 2a, this b has been eliminated, equals to 18. So divide both sides by 2 from here. We have 2 cancel 2, then a here is equals to 9. So now that a is equals to 9, we can also get b here by using one of these equations. Let's say we use a plus b equals to 13. That means here we have 9 plus b equals to 13. And here b will be equals to 13 minus 9. And b equals to 4. So we have a equals to 9 and b equals to 4. Hence, from here, we can recall that a equals to 3 raised to power root x over 4, and b equals to 2 raised to power root x over 4. So by the time we equate this, we have 3 raised to power root x over 4 here, which is a, now equals to 9. And also on this side, 2 raised to power root x over 4, which is b, now equals to 4. Then here, to solve for x here, we can change 9 to 3, base 3 here. So we have 3 raised to power root x over 4, now equals to 3 square. That is 3 times 3 gives us 9. So the base are equal now. Let's equate the power, and we have root x over 4 now equals to 2, which is over 1. Then from here, when we cross multiply, we have root x now equals to 2 times 4 here gives us 8. Then we can square both sides from here to get x. Square cancel square root, and here x now equals to 8 square, 8 times 8, and that's 64. So we have x equals to 64. And also from here, when we change 4 to base 2, we have 2 raised to power root x over 4 equals to 2 raised to power 2. And here as well, the base are equal, so we have root x over 4 equals to 2 as well. Also crossing multiply, so we have root x equals to 4 times 2, which is 8. Also squaring both sides, here we have x equals to 64. So in the two cases here, we have the same answer as x equals to 64. Now, from what is given, which is square root of, when we check, we have root 3 raised to power root x, then minus root 2 raised to power root x equals to 65. Now that x is 64, let's put 64 for x. So we have root 3 raised to power root 64, then minus root 2 raised to power root 64. Is this equals to 65? Then what we have here, root 64, that's 8. So we have root 3, which is 3 raised to power half now. Then raised to power root 64, which is 8. Then minus here we have root 2, which is 2 raised to power half. Then raised to power root 64, which is 8. Is equals to 65. Then from here we have this power multiplied 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So this remains 3 raised to power 4 minus also 2 here 1, 2 here 4, 2 raised to power 4. It is equals to 65. Then 3 raised to power 4 means 3 multiply itself 4 times, which is 81. Then minus also to multiply itself 4 times, which is 16. Is equals to 65. Then when we subtract this, here we have 65, which is equals to 65. Now the left hand side equals to the right hand side, and we can then conclude that x equals to 64 satisfies this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on. And see you next class. Bye for now.